Alright, here we are. Typhoon Lagoon. This is the entrance area. Pretty cool how they decorate it with the ship and the mast up at the top there. And this old-timey car. They do close at 5 here. Disney's Typhoon Lagoon. They open up at 10. We're going to see what this place has to offer today. Okay, you can use your Magic Band to check in, just like all the other Disney areas. And it looks real tropical coming through here. All these different kinds of palm trees. Living the beach life, it says. That's the one thing I do love about Florida, is all the different kinds of vegetation and bushes, leaves, and all the colors that they have. Especially if you're somebody who lives in the northern areas, is not used to this kind of stuff. Take a look at that. All right, here's a towel return box. Another great thing that this place offers is they do give you towels, so you don't have to pack your own beach towels. They offer it. All right, here's the lay of the land when it comes to how sprawling this is. They have all the attractions, the dining, the merchandise listed here. And take a look at this prop design that they have. That's so cool. Okay, upon coming in, over here to the right hand side, they do have a souvenir shop. We're gonna go ahead and walk in here a little bit and see what they have to offer at the souvenir shop. Some more photo op places. Some more theming. Good morning. All the Disney shirts here. I'll be your Mickey. They do have big old beach towels here to buy for $30 that all have Mickey characters on there. Some sun hats, some water shoes if you want them, Mickey Crocs, some regular hats here that have different brands like Billabong. There's Stitch. And they do have some snacks here in case you get hungry. Everybody gets hungry when they swim, that's for sure. And they got some bathing suits here. If you want to get a fresh new bathing suit. They do have fitting rooms here in case you need to try it on. Alright, let's go ahead and go back out. Here's some more of the theming they have here. Singapore sails. Okay, now this is the real entrance. Over here to the right, they do have lockers that you can rent and put your valuable items in. Over there is a high and dry where you can buy some alcoholic beverages. There's a mini donuts place right here. Oh, here's where you can get a popcorn bucket and some kind of the Mickey ice cream bar, famous Mickey ice cream bar, some Coca-Cola drinks that are fresh on ice. Some seasonal fruit, cheese, and vegetables. There is a first aid place here in case you get injured. This is a look at the lazy river. Since it's morning, there's hardly anybody in there yet because they just opened up. They do offer rafts and inflatables for you. No extra charge. They share some of the park hours to the theme parks. Over here to the right, you see it almost looks beachy type there, but it's not really sand. It's concrete. There's a huge tidal wave pool. Ooh, and it's getting ready to launch a tidal wave right now as we... There it goes. So what this tidal wave does that's a little bit different is it's not like constant waves that it sets off. They set off one huge wave to get things started. And let me tell you, you're not going to be able to stand in that wave. It will knock you over. It's pretty powerful. All right, let's go over this way. There's some more really cool Typhoon Lagoon theming. And everything is kind of like leaning over to the side like a typhoon had pushed it over. Now they do have some sand here where all the lawn chairs are. Today it's a bright sunny day. It's going to be about 93 degrees. And from what the forecast says tomorrow, oh, take a look at that helicopter up there in the sky. But the forecast tomorrow is calling for 95-degree weather, 3 degrees shy from breaking the 1915 heat record. Alright, let's see what this... See this pool up close. And that water is fairly warm. I don't know if they have it heated or not, but take a look at the ship off into the distance. The Typhoon Lagoon ship that's up there. That's the main backdrop to this water park.